These are really nice, high quality sweeper, vacuum. Also, you can use as a mop. It comes with the garbage disposal, so when it's finished vacuuming, you can send it back to the charging station and it go back by itself. Also, you can download the app and program the vacuum to your house and tell the vacuum what time you want them sweep or mop or whatever. It's really nice, and when it's done, we'll push all the garbage into the garbage disposal. Then you only take the bag and throw away. Really nice.